Hi, my name's Alison and you'll see me on all of my socials doing this. All of my pictures, this, for years, because can't see these. And now I can smile and I can actually laugh. Look. I came to AntLara after doing lots of searching on the internet and looking at reviews and the such like, but I wanted a real dentist that looked after real people, not one of those influencers that just shave everybody's teeth and don't take care of you. I have been looked after so much, it's unbelievable. From the first person that spoke to me on the internet, talking to me, and then my fabulous coordinator, she's sat over here, so I have to say that, but she's been absolutely amazing, looked after me all the way through.
Please look at me.
Oh God, I'm really nervous now. 3, 2.
Well,
oh my God, they're amazing. Oh my God, I cannot believe how there's been no pain, none at all. I'm a person that's absolutely terrified of the dentist. That's why I never used to go. And I came here and I hate needles, I hate injections, I hate the sound of the drip, absolutely hate everything. Do you know what the most painful thing was here? Having my pain injection in my butt. I kid you not, honestly, nothing has hurt at all. So everybody's looked after me and this person has been absolutely amazing. You changed my life. My dentist, awesome. Even got a bit of glitter on just to be looking after me. So no pain. And look, this is what I've got. I've never been able to smile before and now I can for the first time. So thank you so much, AntLara. Seriously, if you're thinking and looking for somewhere to go, I cannot recommend these guys enough. Thank you, you've changed my life.